This guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your FPS performance in Rocket League. Follow these steps to ensure smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check system requirements. Make sure your computer meets the minimum or recommended system requirements for Rocket League. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers for optimal performance. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in Rocket League. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow quality to improve FPS. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. This can include disabling background applications, adjusting power settings to high performance, and ensuring that your system is free of malware. Step 5. Monitor and manage temperature. Check your system's temperature while playing. Use monitoring software to ensure that your CPU and GPU are not overheating, as high temperatures can lead to throttling and FPS drops. Clean your hardware if necessary. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your FPS while playing Rocket League. Regular maintenance and adjustments can help keep your gaming experience smooth and enjoyable.